How to reset Binance Passkey. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to reset a passkey from your Binance account. Passkeys are a handy way to add an extra layer of security, but if you need to reset your old passkey or want to change it, this is how to reset a passkey on your Binance app. First, open the Binance app and log in to your account. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on your username. Select Security from the menu. Under Security Settings, tap Passkeys. From Passkeys, find the passkey you want to remove. Tap the bin icon, usually looks like a trash can, next to the passkey. Tap Continue. You'll be prompted to verify your request. Choose either your current passkey or your two-factor authentication to confirm. The screen will now go black because this step will not be filmed for security reasons. Congratulations! Your Binance Passkey has been successfully removed. Now it's time to set up a new passkey. Back to Security Settings. Under Security Settings, tap Passkeys. Choose Add Passkey. You'll likely be prompted to verify your identity using your existing two-factor authentication method. Tap Continue. Now you'll see options for creating your passkey. You can use NFC security key, USB security key, a different phone or tablet. This will involve a QR code for secure pairing. This device, it means locking your phone's screen or PIN. If you have an iPhone, you'll also find iCloud keychain. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the passkey setup. For me, I will choose this device. The screen will now go black because I will be adding my fingerprint as a passkey to my Binance account. This step will not be filmed for security reasons. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Binance Passkey and can now log in securely with your new password. Remember, a strong password and enabled two-factor authentication are crucial for keeping your crypto safe. And this is how to reset your Binance Passkey. Resetting the passkey on your Binance account is a quick and simple process. I hope this short video tutorial helps you. If you have any questions or want to see more Binance tutorials, leave a comment below and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching my video.